It is universally acknowledged that learning has got no ending. Welcome to our IPHS online school. I shall teach you English second paper for the classes 9 and 10. The learners of this language may be defined as the drivers who have to be instructed and trained well to be teachers. The duty of teacher is to make the students interested to learn this language in a such way so that they may treat the language as their mother tongue. It does not mean that we have to ignore our mother tongue. With passing of time, English is getting changed. Dear students, in my previous class, I taught about tech question. I shall also talk with you about tech question. We know that tech question is a short question which is added at the end of a statement to be sure of something. I shall discuss tech question in different sentences with the verb have. Dear students, have, which is a verb, is used as a main verb, as a modal verb, and as an auxiliary verb. As a modal verb, we shall discuss have as a main verb. Now, it is a question to ask me, what is main verb? The verb which can express in a sentence without help of other verb is called main verb. I have a pen. In this sentence, have is main verb. So, we need to use don't to add a question with the sentence. Don't I? Don't I? This is American style. This is American style. I shall also write, I have a pen, haven't I? Haven't I? This is also right, but it is British style. British style. Now, he has a pen. We can write, doesn't he? This is American style. He has a pen. Hasn't he? This is British style. I had a pen. Didn't I? This is American style. I had a pen. Hadn't I? This is British style. Now it is a question. Which is the best answer? I think American answer is the best, but British answer is not incorrect. Now I shall discuss have to as modal verb. As a modal verb, we must know that what is modal verb. The verb which is used in changing the meaning and expresses the meaning, permission, certainty and possibility. Now I shall discuss about modal verb have as a modal verb. Now I have to go to school. In this sentence, have to is modal verb. Now we can write haven't I. We shall also write I have to go to school, don't I? I think this is better than that. It is good English. He has to go to school. Hasn't he? He has to go to school. Doesn't he? I think he has to go to school, hasn't he? This is better than that. I had to go to school. Hadn't I? I had to go to school. Didn't I? Hadn't I? This is better. Now I shall discuss have as auxiliary verb. Have as an auxiliary verb. It is a question, what is an auxiliary verb? The verb which helps a principal verb in order to express the meaning in accordance with the verb with mood, in accordance with mood, is called auxiliary verb. I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. In this sentence, have as an auxiliary verb. So we can write haven't I? He has gone there. Hasn't he? She had written a letter. Hadn't she? Okay, dear students, I have discussed have as main verb, as modal verb, and as an auxiliary verb in different sentences. I am sure that all of you are clear to this point. Now I shall discuss about the verb dare. Dare, which is a verb, is used as a modal verb and as a principal verb. I dare do the work. In this sentence, dare is used as modal verb. So, we can write daren't I. But if I write I dare to go there, in this sentence dare is used as a main verb. So, we need to use don't to add a question with this sentence. Don't I? Don't I? I dare to talk with him. In this sentence, dare is used as main verb. So, we need to use didn't. Didn't I? He dares to go there. In this sentence, dare is used as modal main verb. So, we need to use doesn't. Doesn't he? She dare go there. In this sentence, dare is used as modal verb. So, we can use dare. Daren't she? Okay. I have discussed dare as modal verb and main verb. I am sure that, my dear students, all of you are clear to about dare as a modal verb and as a main verb. My dear student, I am sure that all of you have an idea about take question. So, I don't want to discuss about take question with you. Now, I am giving you homework. First sentence, all of you have a good idea about a question. I have a speaking term with you. He has to help me. They dare to play with them. He has bought a pen. I hope all of you will try to solve this problem. My advice is for you that stay home and study more. Okay? Thank you very much.